I would like to talk to you specifically about connecting your blog with related posts. What this means is if you create one post on potty dog training, and then 2 weeks later you create one on let's say pads that you put down so your dog will go to the bathroom on those. And those are related enough that you would want to have the one link to the other. There's a way to manage this to make life easier. It's called the Related Post plugin. You can see the link there to download it. You download the plugin. The same thing as before. You upload it into your plugins directory, and then once you have it, let me show you how it works. Once the plugin is installed, of course, you need to activate it. Once it's activated, simply click on Settings from your dashboard, and you will see an option for WordPress related posts. Here you have a few options to configure it. Essentially, when someone reads a post, there's going to be text after the post that's going to say whatever you want it to say. You could say related post, or you could have it say read more posts like this one, or maybe you want to optimize the title and have it say something like more WordPress posts, something like that. And of course, if there are no related posts, it's going to display no related posts, and you can specify how many you want to be posted, things like that. And then just go ahead and hit Update Preferences, and once that's done, you will take a bit of code and add it into your template wherever you want it to appear. The code that you want to use is right here, WP_related post right there. Just place that in your templates. Let me show you what I mean here. Again, this might start to get a little bit technical for people. Just bear with me. If I go under here, standard design, and of course you can be editing your theme. And what this means is you could go into wherever you want it to be, click on the template, and then just go ahead, of course, and enter that bit of text. If you have any trouble with that, feel free to refer to the documentation included with this as well, where I describe it in a little bit more detail.